Good day, everybody. John Steyer Flooring. Let me show you what I got into today. So I'm going to be working in a laundry room that had existing carpet. It's got some existing ceramic tile underneath the washer and dryer now. But on each side here, you can see is we have vinyl plank flooring that's already installed, and all of this is running this way, which is north and south. And how would I go about tying in, let's say I start there and tying in to go to there and end with the, full piece? Probably more than likely not going to happen unless I, snap a bunch of lines, really get lucky. But I'm not even going to take that chance. I'm going to show you something else that you can do that actually adds a little flair and really isn't that difficult. So stay tuned. I want to share this with you as well so you can see I'm going to be putting down, here's the existing height of everything right there. And so I'm going to be putting down new subfloor to match up, but it's not going to be this thick. So I'm going to need to cut all this back and make it flush so it comes out flush with the tile, not past the tile. All right, so I want to show you something why, you hear me say, we're flooring installers, but we are the #1 problem solvers. So look at that. We can see clearly that there is a 1/4 inch underlayment with the flooring there. So I'm going to put down a 1/4 inch underlayment to match the height. And now come over here and you can see, for whatever reason in this house, that 1/4 inch underlayment came out flush with this 1/4 inch underlayment. So I'm going to have to come up with a different plan because we don't want to transition here. So what I'm going to do is actually stop my plywood probably right here and then just have a slight 1/4 inch taper back. I can glue that tile down. It'll have a gradual slope up. I mean, there's nothing else I can do there. And if I have to put a transition, it's going to do the same thing. So I'll show you guys how to do that. But that is what comes up in a real job. So I want to show this with you because, instructions are always written for like a beautiful 12 by 12 bedroom or 12 by 12 room with a perfect everything. And we do not live in a perfect world. So I'm going to get after it here and show you what's going on. All right, so I had an issue there. Had to build a little ramp. Knew that I had an issue there, built a little ramp. I've got my line marked for the 45. I'm going to get started with the install. Boom. Let's go. So I got that finished up to there. And this is what I did over here. And there is just a slight little roll in the floor, but that just looks so much better than the freaking transition. So this is what I got left. It's 3:30. I bet it takes me another hour and a half just to do that, but oh well. It is what it is. I can come back tomorrow and get my transitions and everything put on. Biggity bam. Let's go. Doesn't that look nice, guys? Looks good. And like I said, there is a hump in between both rooms here. So I got to put the transition on. I'm coming back tomorrow. I got a couple transitions to work on in the basement. And they are going to require a little bit more time than a half an hour, which I have. So I don't know if I can show. This will show up with the hoot on there or not. Maybe not. I don't know. Probably would have been better if I would have grabbed a straight edge or something. But either way, you can feel it. Don't matter. It's stuck. It ain't going anywhere. It looks fantastic. I'm happy with this one. So it's the Floorinator signing out. Till the next one. Thanks for watching, guys.